this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can generate a logo in Adobe Firefly. So when you open Adobe Firefly in your browser, you have this option here. Make sure it's on image. We can change things already here. We're going to choose Firefly image 3. And here I'm going to choose 1-on-1 to have a square. Now I'm going to click generate, and then here I will get more options to the left. So we have the Firefly image 3. I'm going to put on fast mode to get better logo generations. We have the square. Then I'm going to make this art, and I'm going to put the visual intensity completely to the right. You can also add a reference picture by clicking add image or just dragging one in. I'm going to take the Premiere logo, and then I'm going to put the strength all the way to the right. Now, if you scroll down, we have effects here. I'm going to click themes, and then you can see all sorts of themes you can choose from. And this will really depend on what you're trying to create. But for this logo, I'm going to choose 3D and hyper realistic. And then there are all the things you can also incorporate. But for this one, I'm just going to leave it as it is. And then I'm going to give in a prompt. And let's make it a logo made of, and you can really choose whatever you want here. Let's make it a logo made of grass. Then comma, isolated on a white or black background to make it easier to remove that background if we want to. And then I'm going to click generate. And if there's nothing you really like, you can click generate as many times again if you want to. And when you find something you like, you can choose to upscale all, which will give you a higher quality, crisper result to use. And there you have it. That's how you can create logos in Adobe Firefly. Like this video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.